What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. You see the orange LC up there looking beautiful with me. Steve's with me as always when we do our little LC 500 journeys. We are actually heading up to Neptunes Net. If you're familiar with Fast and Furious, then you know what I'm talking about. We're actually going to a LC 500 only car meet, and then we're gonna do a cruise on Decker Canyon. Never been there before, but it should be fun. I have the 360 camera with me, sitting here in the passenger seat. Put that on later. But yeah, I'm not sure how much I'll record going up since there's gonna be so much other stuff to record when we get there, but sit back, relax, enjoy the video, and let's see how many LC 500s will turn up and drive with us. Line up here. Steve, me, got Morgan here, infrared, bags. We got a vertical, infrared. We got ultrasonic blue. Two whites. It's gonna be really cool to have all of us riding together. How's that, Kenny? But yep, we're at Neptunes Net. Good turnout. All right, we're about to go to Decker Canyon now. We have all the LCs together. Beautiful view to the right of the ocean. Let me make sure my 360 camera is on. look at the sea, the different color LCs we have here. Blue, orange, matte black, red, my blue, and then we got the cadmium orange behind us. Now, I think we have the 2 white ones up front. Right, so we are on the way back home. Google estimated 4 hours for the drive. But yeah, we had to deal with a little bit of traffic. Now we're just enjoying the open road now. Well, as open as it is. Yeah, if you're seeing this and you're an LC owner in California, the next meet that they're gonna try to throw for the LC 500s is, I think, in May or April. So I'll try to announce that on my Instagram. If you guys don't follow it, I'll put it here on the screen. But yeah, follow it, join the community, come hang out with us. We're hoping to get 15 or 20 LC 500s next time. That'd be super cool. We're gonna take a much funner route. Allow us all to drive around and have some fun. Off in the distance, you can see a bunch of helicopters flying right now. I know they shut down the 5 earlier today. Oh, and it's got one of those, I don't know what the planes are, but the ones that the blades shift, change like this. I don't know, I'm doing weird stuff right now, but you guys know what I'm talking about. All right, so I just picked up some food, but I got a text asking if I was gonna be coming to the barbecue, and I'm like, oh, what barbecue? What's the address? So right now we're heading to one of the Supras in my previous video. He's throwing a barbecue, so a bunch of the F cars are showing up, so we'll have, you know, some good old Lexus fun there too, along with some Supras. See what cool cars turn up. Steal me a little steak, say what's up to everybody. Then we'll end the video after that. Sort of, kind of, not really. Got me here. Got Chino with the new Ultrasonic Blue RCF. Ooh. With the TVD. Fancy boy. Supra. I'll blur it out. Car looking good. No, we got the trusty Accord. Everybody's here.